In this video, we've divided the conversation into 10 small parts to help you understand English step by step. Each part will make learning easier and more fun. So watch till the end. You'll learn a lot.
Hey, how are you today?
I'm good, thanks. And you?
I'm doing great. What's your name?
My name is Sophia. What's yours?
I'm Alex. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Where are you from?
I'm from Brazil. You?
I'm from Japan.
Cool. Are you learning English?
Yes, I am. It's fun.
Same here. I practice every day.
Are you hungry?
A little. I could eat.
What do you want to eat?
Maybe pizza. Do you like pizza?
I love it. What about drinks?
I'll have orange juice. You?
I want cold water.
Can you cook?
Yes, I can cook pasta.
Nice. I only make eggs. You look happy today.
Thanks. I got good news.
That's awesome. What happened?
I passed my English test.
Congratulations.
Thanks. How do you feel today?
I'm a bit tired, but okay.
Didn't sleep well?
Not really. I stayed up late.
You should rest more. What time do you wake up?
Usually it's 7 a.m.
Early bird. I wake up at 9.
What's your morning routine?
I shower, have coffee, and read.
Sounds peaceful.
What about you?
I rush to work most days.
Do you like your job?
It's okay. I like weekends more. Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one sister. You?
I have 2 brothers.
Are you close with them?
Yes, we talk often.
That's good. Do you live with family?
No, I live alone now.
I still live with my parents.
Do you like it?
Yes, it's comfortable. Are you on Instagram?
Yes. I post travel photos.
Cool. What app do you use most?
Probably YouTube. I watch English videos.
Same here. Do you use WhatsApp?
All the time. We can chat there.
Great. Do you play mobile games?
Not much. Do you?
Just sometimes when I'm bored.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, I love it.
Me too, but I always spend too much.
Same here. Did you buy anything this week?
Yes, I bought new shoes.
Were they expensive?
Not really. They were on sale.
Nice. Do you use cash or card?
Card. It's easier.
I agree. Have you ever been to another country?
Yes, I visited France last year.
That's cool. How was it?
Beautiful. I want to go again.
I want to travel to Italy.
Good choice. Do you like flying?
Not really. I get nervous.
Me too, but I love airports. What's the weather like today?
It's sunny and warm.
That's perfect. Let's go for a walk.
Sure. Do you like summer?
Yes, I love it.
I prefer winter.
Really? Too cold for me.
I like the snow. What's your hobby?
I like painting. You?
I enjoy singing.
Can you play any instruments?
No, but I want to learn guitar.
Cool. Do you watch movies?
Yes, every weekend.
What's your favorite?
I love comedies.
Me too. They make me laugh. Do you enjoy learning English?
Yes, it's fun and useful.
I agree.
Sure. Let's speak every day.
Great idea. We'll improve faster.
Let's do it.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this conversation practice, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell us in the comments. Which part did you like most? We make English learning simple and real. See you in the next video.